Okay, good morning all. Now today is our lesson start. So I start for the tech attendant. Please record your attendance before the season begin and ensure that your name and contact information are correct. Okay, the first one is Teo Yong Ping.
Hi.
Okay, Teng Zi Han. Okay, please take out inside. This way. Okay, very nice. Okay, thank you. Okay, now I intro myself. My name is Goh Jilong. I am founder in IPS Software Sdn Bhd. Okay, this is our company. We build a software and learning how to build the software and teach you how to build the software in this session. And a lot thing inside. Then we build a lot of software and monitoring the software how to begin. Okay. Okay, this one is class rules. First, set mobile phone to silent mode. Please check your phone is silent already. Okay, write on time and return prompt after break. Okay, prepare your own stationery. Listen when the trainer and other participants is speaking. Okay, the last one, keep the training room clean and organized. Okay. Okay, now you can intro yourself by sharing your name, occupation, and digital device application that you are figuring. Okay, explaining how the technology help you complete a task, communication with others, find information or solve a problem. Like the first one, okay, Yong Ping, you can sharing about this one first.
Stand up.
I can stand up also, okay?
I don't want to.
Okay.
My name is Teo Ping and my occupation is playing game.
Okay.
And one of my digital devices is my laptop.
Okay.
I usually use my laptop to do jobs. And yeah, I use ChatGPT a lot.
Okay, good. Something else? A lot of ChatGPT and
that's all I need.
then what are the game are you always playing?
Also, the game is
Mobile Legends.
Valorant.
Well, okay, nice. Okay, that's all.
Yep.
Okay, right. Next one is Teng Zi Han.
Okay, my name is Teng Zi Han and right now I'm 21 years old. My occupation right now is playing game also. And one of my digital devices is my laptop. Usually I will use my laptop to work as well and do some entertainment exhibition for myself to reduce my stress. So normally I will play like CSGO and something else
Oh,
for my laptop.
now the era still got the CS.
Yes.
Okay, good.
That's all I think.
Okay, so I know you already. Okay, so how is information technology change the way a community work, learn, and perform daily activity? Follow the question. How does technology make your daily activity easier? Okay, this is open question. Got some technology can help you in your life.
Yeah. I want to answer.
Okay.
I think right in this era, information technology help us a lot. Like the WhatsApp or WeChat, it is benefit of us because we don't need like face-to-face communication. We can use the internet. Even your friends or your friend, your teacher is not in front of you. It's from their house. You can just communicate. Use your phone to find them and chat with them.
Yeah, or easier. Previous my era is using the letter, right?
Yes.
Right, the post also send the post. Then using the WhatsApp is very easy to communicate, right?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay. That's all.
I think that's all.
What do you want?
I have no.
Okay, now the era actually is for the WhatsApp, for the WeChat is easy for our lifestyle. Even the computer also. Previous we need to do a lot of things using the hardware physical one. Now using computer, using the Zoom, even the meeting also can Zoom. Dynamically, right? Okay, even your parents call you, hey, Jahan, what time you come back to eat? Are also using the WhatsApp already. This one easier for our daily activities now.
Yes.
Okay, so we change to next topic. Okay, today the topic is information technology fundamental from computer system to engage technology. Okay, this is the computer system how to engage technology to begin. Okay, so the next is okay. This is today what we learning. Okay, got the 10 topic. The first one, introduction and overview information technology. What is the information technology? Second one is computer hardware. All the software need to compete in the hardware. So the software and operation system. Number 4, computer network and internet. This one also important. Okay. Even the database and data management, how to be. Okay. The number 6, website and application development. Okay. Number 7, cybersecurity and data protection. 8, cloud computing. 9, artificial intelligence (AI). This one also include the system also. Okay. The last one is a smart device and technology. Okay. So today we will learn this one. Okay, the first chapter is introduction and overview of information technology. Is all ready already? Okay, next. What is information technology? It's called IT. IT means information technology is the study or use of computer, software, network and digital system to manage information. IT also help the individual and organization complete work more quickly and efficient. Information technology involves using computer and digital system to create the information. Actually, IT also include the information. For example, the social media, multimedia, graphic, videos, sounds, and photo and video. So the second one is store information, database. IT also include the data how to store by the cloud. Then the third one is process information. Can use the website application to process our task. So many tasks into the processing information. The number 4 is share information using the network to connect each other. For example, local and internet. Okay. Last one is protect information, cybersecurity. This one also include in the IT part inside the floor. Okay. So the next is 1.1 component of information technology. These are 6 main components in the information technology, include the IT. The first one is hardware, physical equipment using to import, output, and processing. You need to using the hardware to process, become the software. Okay. Software, the application program used to control and coordinate the hardware component. Number 3, database. Data are raw fact and figure and are analyzed that are later processed to generate information. Network, a group of 2 or connect device that can connect each other. Okay, share and data restriction. Just now you mentioned about the WhatsApp, also using the network to communicate. People, a technology work who manage, build, repair, and support and organize computer system, hardware, network, and software. So the procedure are the policy is the operation and information system. Those components work together to collect, process, store, share, and protect digital information. Okay. So this is the component information. So inside the information technology, I think include first is the hardware, the second is the software, third is network, then procedure, until the people in the database. This structure inside the component of IT. Okay, inside this is one. Okay. So information technology in daily life. This one can be used. Information technology has become an important part of modern daily life. It allows people to communicate, learn, work, process, service, and more convenient. Many activity now become complete using computer, smartphone, and digital device. Information technology is one in use is actually just now we got mentioned one, education. The children can use the online class to learn about information, the education. So using the Zoom in the market popular one and 5-1 talks can learn the English and a lot of platform can using this one. Second is the business. Business, for example, with local in Malaysia got the SQL auto count. This is using the accounting software one. So this one also using the system to build out the business for their ET to manage their accounting. Okay, and the more one is the shopping, like the Shopee, Lazada, how even the China one, Pinduoduo also come in, and the Taobao, we can shopping a lot inside even the era now, the shopping e-commerce also using the lifestyle for the TikTok. So now era is using the information technology to purchase using the online directly. So number 4 is banking. Previous we making the money go to the bank, but current we using the online banking directly transfer very fast. So daily can many tasks can part. This one also is an IT part also. Then the latest one is communication. Okay, communication. Any other line using the Telegram sekarang pun ada. Okay, WhatsApp also got, and the WeChat. So a lot of things. Previous we using the SMS, got the limit one. Now using this one can send the video, photo, and a lot of things. Okay, this one using communication application tools. Nah, this one also the game, online gaming. Just now you mentioned one, the zaman sekarang a lot of budak suka makan ini, okay, main ini on the online game. Previous we using the CS also using the online already. Okay, this one daily use in our lifestyle. Okay, so information technology that also for the transportation, e-hailing and technology ticketing. We booking the air ticket, we booking the movie ticket also using the online. And transport, even we using the Grab. Previous we using the Grab to call the car. Now we using Grab to order the food. Then the feature one order the service also can using the transportation app also. Then another one is using GPS. We go to the another place using the GPS. So GPS easy to use to communicate and easy to direct go to the correct point. Okay, and the food service, you see this one is the great food. Food also can order in the IT tools using in our daily. Okay, travel also you see now a lot of like the trip.com, Agoda also can order the hotel, your location, combination, mana boleh pakai ni order. Okay, lagi social media include Facebook, IG. Sekarang ada lagi Lemonade also using the social media tools also. The latest one also the weather. For example, today I want to travel. The AI tools also can detect mana ada hujan, mana tak ada hujan. Ini pun ada buat dekat semua sini sudah advance dekat teknologi. Yang sekarang kita punya daily tiap hari ada pakai punya lah. Okay. Okay. So 1.3 career in information technology. Information technology often many career opportunity in both computer, software, network, information and digital service. Different IT professionals are responsible for development system, maintenance, equipment, protection, information and support technology use. For the example, okay, you tengok ni IT support technician, assist the user with technical problem. Ini also is an occupation very perlu punya. Network administrator, manage computer network. Ini pun penting juga. Software development, zaman ini semua orang masuk ini crack computer program. Database, macam mana structure database, main organizer database. Cybersecurity, banyak orang kena hack kerana cybersecurity ini tak power. So mereka pakai cybersecurity analyst, protect system for security threat. Ini pun penting juga. Lagi satu web development. A lot of company in-house also using the web development their own platform. This one also in the career, very important in the career. Okay. Responsible use information technology. Okay. Responsible use information technology means using digital device, information and online service safety. Legal. Ini pun penting. Mesti mau legal and respectfully. You should respect private, protect confidential information and avoid activity that may harm other people of computer system. Belajar ini bukan suruh you pergi buat yang bukan benda yang illegal atau pergi hack orang. So kita tahu ni macam mana protection. Example, asking permission before sharing some information. Sekarang main mobile phone dalam sharing, dia akan tanya permission dulu. Permission sangat penting. Kalau tak ada permission, dia ambil semua gambar you, send itu bukan benda itu tak boleh. Mesti mau ada ni. Avoid the using private software. Okay, for example, software boleh inspire kita lagi cepat dekat itu kita punya bidang. Dia pun boleh kasih kita punya bidang jadi teruk. Okay, giving credit when using online information. Communication, respectful and digital platform. Following workplace technology policy. Avoiding access to other person account. IT boleh detect dalam responsibility. Semua pay attention dekat sini. Okay. Summary: information technology use computer, software, network, and digital system to create, store, process, generate, and protection information. Example: education, dia boleh online class and learning platform. Kita boleh buat online dia macam mana cara ajar orang, macam mana belajar. For example, ini pun boleh buat satu as a online tools. The second one, communication, email, video, call, and message application. Kita boleh call pakai WhatsApp, WeChat, communicate as well. Okay. Number 3, business, payroll. Ini ada SQL payroll, AutoCAD payroll, accounting, and inventory system. Kita tolong mereka lagi senang buat kita punya business. Lagi banking, online banking and electronic payment. Kita boleh bayar untuk Hrdc sekarang kat kita punya Malaysia. Ada pakai online, contoh Maybank ke, Public Bank ke, kita mau transfer duit lagi senang, lagi cepat. Okay? Healthcare, electronic patient record. For example, Huawei teknologi boleh detect, ada Samsung boleh detect kita punya jantung, macam mana lagi healthy dekat kita punya bidang. Entertainment, stream service and online game. Contoh YouTube, you online tengok main game, ini pun entertainment dekat information technology use. Okay? Boleh hafal ni? Okay. Okay, sekarang sudah 2.0. Okay. Komputer hardware. Macam mana berlaku itu online jadi? Mesti ada hardware lagi kasih dia jadi ini online punya zaman. Okay. So computer hardware, what is computer hardware? Computer hardware refer to the physiology part and the computer that can be seen and touched. Hardware memang boleh kena sentuh, boleh nampak. Okay, this component allow the computer to receive data, process, display information, and store file. Different hardware category perform different function with the computer system. There are 3 main category on the computer hardware. Ini ada berapa department lah. So the first one is the internal device. Ini macam PC lah, laptop you ke PC ni ada internal device. Second one is the input. Contoh ada camera, ada mic, scanner, keyboard, and mouse. Ini dia input device, bukan sekali dia join sekali. Third, output. You boleh jadi printer, earphone, projector, speaker, and monitor. Yang ini part ketiga. Yang last one is the storage. This one also plug in one. Ini boleh tambah, dia tak cukup RAM, boleh tambah RAM, external hard disk, storage, and the SSD. Okay, so this one is the hardware together. Okay, so internal component ada apa? Internal component are hardware part installed inside in the computer case. They work together to process instruction, manage activity data, produce graphic, and support electronic power. The performance and computer depend grade and condition and capability of the component. So dekat kita punya PC ini komputer dalam mesti ada RAM untuk temporary store activity information, mesti mau RAM. Contoh sekarang main game, RAM tak cukup, mau tambah RAM, itu proses kasih lagi lanjut to RAM. The second one is graphic card, kasih image display processing image and video, lagi 3D, lagi mantap, lagi cantik, the 3D rendering yang pakai ni graphic card. Okay, lagi satu penting dia connect all component dekat satu motherboard. Yang ini motherboard, the main one. You mesti mau ada motherboard baru boleh insert ini semua barang. Yang lagi satu cooling fan. Okay, so komputer dia jalan bermasa, dia akan panas. So ni cooling fan untuk kasih dia cool down the temperature. Ini pun penting juga. Kadang-kadang tengok orang ada 3 kipas, ada 4 kipas, ada fan dekat dalam. Ini mesti penting dekat you punya PC. Dia lagi satu power supply. Dia memang mau pakai elektronik, mau provide elektrik. So ini pun penting dalam dia ini baru connect mereka kasih function. Okay, lagi satu CPU, processing instruction calculation. Processor ini memang penting dekat dalam PC kerana dia proses you punya file, proses you punya barang, kasih ini processor. Processor sekarang sudah jadi i7, ada i9, sekarang paling latest sebenarnya. Okay, so ini adalah internal component dekat dalam komputer. Ni structure semua penting. Okay, tak semesti dekat PC ada, laptop pun ada. Sekarang pakai handphone device dalam pun ada macam ni punya komponen. Tapi handphone dia lagi kecil. Okay, so the next one. Okay, this one is the computer hardware input device. Okay, macam mana gabung kasih dia function. Input device allow user to enter data and instruction into a computer system. The computer receives the input and convert into a form that can be processed. Different input devices are using according to the type of data being entered. For the example, you must using the keyboard. Okay, you ada keyboard baru boleh key in data atau kasih instruction kasih punya PC. Okay, kedua mouse. Mouse untuk control the pointer. Lagi lanjut, you boleh pergi you punya sana ambil drag and down. So ada left, right and the center point. Ada yang canggih, ada kiri kanan, lagi cepat. You boleh set to fast key dengan mouse ini punya function. Okay. Lagi ini scanner. Scanner untuk convert document into digital file. For example, you ada satu file. Contoh, you ada ini. You must set dekat dalam PC. Macam mana? Using the scanner. Scanner masuk scan, lepas tu ini dia convert ke digital. Digital baru boleh masuk komputer untuk keep. Okay. So microphone, komputer macam mana receive you punya sound, macam mana receive you punya suara using microphone to record the sound. So ini mic boleh external atau sekarang punya PC atau laptop sudah ada input. Ini also a device, input device. Sekarang semakin canggih lepas tu di mana built pun ada external. You mau suara lagi jelas boleh pakai external yang mahal canggih punya. Okay. Yang lagi paket PC dia memang tak ada built-in. Kerana dia mau pakai ni capture image and video lively punya. So ini kamera also penting. Lagi satu touchscreen. Ini asset input touch point, touch up. You can terus touch. Lagi lanjut lagi pada mouse. Tapi mouse pun penting kerana ini touchscreen untuk you senang kasih selection. Okay. Yang ini component hardware input device. Okay. 2.3 computer hardware output device. Ini also output memang, for example, display text, image and video using the monitor. PC dia tak boleh tengok you dalam buat apa. So mesti mau satu screen kasih you tengok. Ini yang monitor. Sekarang ada kasih curve punya monitor juga, satu jenis yang ada curve punya. Sekarang papan gambar lagi jelas. Dulu 2K, 4K, sekarang sudah 8K, lagi jelas. Itu quality material lagi bagus. Okay. Lagi satu printer, producer printer and document. You can print out what the document you want. So easier to compare and see, to checking. Also using the printing. Then speaker is keluarkan sound. Kalau sudah ada suara ni speaker. Okay. Lagi headset. Okay, contoh headset dia akan kasih you itu lagu ada suara lagi jelas. Pakai ni headset. Okay. Monitor also similar, the function is like a monitor. Tapi projector dia boleh display information and large screen. Contoh berapa orang, 10 orang dia boleh pakai projector kasih papau yang lagi tebal punya barang, kasih orang boleh jelas nampak. Okay. Tapi ini ada satu broken. Dekat terang dia tempat dia memang ada kurang sikit. Tapi kalau gelap sikit dia boleh nampak jelas lah. Okay. Lagi satu print large technology drawing. Yang ini blueprint dia boleh print lagi besar memang. Depend ni cuma A4, A5 paling besar, A4, A3. Ini boleh sampai berapa keping inci besar ya. Okay. Yang ini output device dekat bidang ini. Okay. Computer hardware storage device. Ini dalamnya komponen. Dia kasih storage-nya. Storage untuk keep you punya data, you punya file, you punya gambar, wording atau semua device sama software boleh keep dalam hardware. So sekarang ada hybrid hard disk. Ini hybrid HDD is a provide large storage capacitor but slow speed. Ini lambatnya. Okay. Kedua, SSD ini cepatnya, is a new technology, provide faster file access but lesser storage capital. You sekarang ini boleh jadi berapa TB, tapi ini 2 TB, 3 TB sudah tak cukup. Dia punya ada advantage pun ada kekurangan, dia ada sendiri punya advantage. Ini UBS untuk storage and transfer portable file. Contoh file kecil, you mau share kasih orang, ada gambar boleh macam ni, you boleh pakai pen drive. Yang ini memory card, storage information in portable device. Contoh dekat kamera, handphone dulu punya ada pakai memory card. Senang transfer file, kasih you punya komputer atau punya device, contoh kamera atau itu sekarang itu recorder. Boleh pakai ni memory card. Yang external drive provide additional storage and backup. Ini for temporary use. Ini main besar macam ni. Dia boleh external hard disk dan extra kasih you ada hard disk untuk keep itu file. Okay, so ini external drive. Lagi ini sekarang sudah jarang tengok, tapi ini pun penting juga, optical disk storage information in CD and DVD. Sekarang sudah kurang pakai, tapi ini penting juga. For example, scan itu dokumen, dia kasih itu file boleh keep lama. CD and DVD boleh keep a lot of file inside the storage device. Okay. Okay, so 2.5 computer port and connector. Ini juga important dalam bidang ini. Computer port allow external device to connect to a computer and exchange information, video, audio, electronic power. Different port are designed for the different device and connector purpose. Okay, ini semua design ada kaitan sendiri, memang ada function sendiri. Contoh USB, connect keyboard, flash drive and other device. So dekat motherboard kita design, dia memang ada slot untuk masuk USB nya. USB ini untuk cucuk ini connect keyboard, flash drive, even ini pointer also connect using this one. The second one is HDMI, transfer digital video and audio. Ini HDMI dia memang high transfer, so memang mau pakai ini untuk lagi jelas monitoring atau you punya itu voice. Okay, pakai ini HDMI. Then antenna ini connect computer to wiring. Ini untuk lagi lanjut punya. Dulu ada Cat 5, sekarang sudah jadi Cat 6. Cat 6 dia punya speed boleh sampai 1 MHz, lagi cepat So internet kadang-kadang you orang rumah macam lambat sangat, mungkin ini internet lain pakai Cat 5 nya. You upgrade pergi Cat 5, Cat 6, dia macam highway lagi besar, lagi lanjut, jalan lagi cepat. Okay. The next one, auto jack. Ini connect headphone and the microphone. Before sekarang kita tengok dia semua pakai 3.5 jack 3.5 mm. Sekarang sudah jadi Type C, USB semua pakai yang lanjut Ini pun penting untuk connect audio. Okay. The display port connect a computer and a monitor. Ini similar is a HDMI, tapi dia kepala ada lain sikit kerana dia pakai ini komputer Computer connect pergi screen pakai ini display port. Okay, yang ini USB Type C. Transform data, video and electrical power. Type C sekarang sudah famous pakai. Contoh charge pakai laptop pun pakai Type C. Handphone semua jadi semua tukar Type C. Okay, yang ini semua component port and connector yang penting dekat kita punya IT bidang Okay. Okay, 2.6 factor, effect and computer performance. Computer performance depend on how quickly and efficient its hardware component can process information. A computer should be selected according to the task and the using need to perform. Important factor include processor speed and number of core. Okay, itu processornya speed dia ada depend ada dia punya core. Contohnya core 4 ke core 8 dia proses lagi cepat. Contohnya kereta ada 2 loader, ada 2 high speed, dia cepat sikit. Amount of random access memory. Ini RAM also juga random access memory. RAM lagi tinggi, dia memang lagi cepat proses barang. Okay, type and capacity of storage. You punya capacity lagi banyak, dia lagi boleh store banyak barang, lagi dia tak cepat hang. Okay, graphic card. Ini graphic card pun penting. Dia proses punya gambar lagi jelas, lagi senang, lagi motion speed, lagi smooth. Okay, yang ini graphic card punya feature. Lagi cooling system. You punya atas ini barang lagi banyak, you punya komputer lagi panas. So cooling system efficient dia lagi tinggi, dia boleh burn lagi cepat, kasih cooler. Okay, condition and age on the hardware. Lagi lama pakai dia memang lagi cepat rosak, lagi dia tak tahan lama. So sekarang punya laptop atau komputer dia memang ada lifetime. So ini adalah condition and age is important the factor effect computer performance Okay. So the next one is summary. Computer hardware refer to the physical part and of a computer system that can be seen and touched. Example include internal component, processor, motherboard, RAM and graphic card. Input device dia ada keyboard, mouse, microphone, scanner, and webcam. Output device monitor, printer, speaker, and projector. Storage device hard disk driver, solid state drive, USB drive, and memory card. Okay. Okay. So the point number 3 is computer software. Tadi saya cakap banyak sekali itu hardware mah. Hardware sekarang cepat sekarang. Hardware pergi beli, you pun mau tahu dalam komponen apa, you tahu macam mana pergi buat. Kalau dalam yang rosak, you pun boleh tahu yang mana part ada rosak, komponen yang macam mana bikin. Dan software macam mana pergi proses dekat dalam komputer. Okay. So what is computer software? Computer software is a collection of program and instruction that help a computer how to perform tasks. Different category of software are designed to different purpose. This program allows you to operation the computer, complete work, maintain the system, and create new application. The main type of the software are operation system, manage hardware and computer operation. The second one is application software, help user complete specification tasks. Security software, protect device and information. Utility software, maintain and improve the computer. Device drive, allow hardware to communication. Programming software, help developer create program. Okay, this one is a computer software include. Dia punya category of computer software dalam ada beberapa jenis. Computer software ada operation system (OS). Kedua, application software. And third is the security software. Lagi satu, programming software, utility software, and device driver. Okay. 3.2 Operating system. Operating system is the main software that manages a computer or mobile device. It is control the hardware, run application, and provide an interface and the user. It also manages file, memory, user accounting, and network connector. An operation system is responsible to run application, managing file and folder, controlling hardware device, managing memory and process tasks, protecting user account, providing the user interface, management network connector. Example the operation system dia normally the market sekarang ada Windows, ada Mac OS, ada Linux, sama ada Android, and Huawei dia sekarang dia jadi sendiri dia OS. Ini yang market sekarang ada lah. Okay. So application software is designed to help us to user perform specification personal application or business tasks. It operation through the computer operation system and allow user to complete different type of work. Each application is normally created for a particular purpose. Example of application software ada include sekarang ada Microsoft Word, dia create document. You boleh buat itu Microsoft Word untuk create document, buat proposal, PPT. Then Excel untuk management calculation di data. Excel ini sekarang boleh buat calculation, boleh keep data, presentation, take down list, and a lot of things in the Microsoft Excel. Microsoft PowerPoint untuk presentation and itinerary or any the task for the presentation. Lagi satu Google Chrome, access the website. Cuma satu tools untuk online pergi tengok biar barang macam mana online go through the survey using the Google Chrome and other Safari and another help. This one to accessing website. Lagi ada Adobe Photoshop. Dia boleh edit photograph and graphic. Sebelumnya pun ada sudah jadi online, ada Canva, ada Jet-in, ada CapCut pun boleh jadi. Ini pun satu application software juga. For example, communication also using the WhatsApp, WeChat, Telegram, and Messenger also is application tools. Last one is the VCL media player, organizer file and folder. This one you boleh cari file yang lanjut dekat you punya komputer atau you punya Android, boleh pakai ni untuk lanjut you punya folder. Okay, so this a lot of thing is application software. Okay, so 3.5 utility software. Utility software help maintain, manage and improve the performance of a computer system. It performs supporting tasks and keep file, storage, device and system resource property organization. Regular use of utility software can help prevent performance and storage problem. Example of utility software include ada disk cleaning. Ini disk cleaning remove the unnecessary file. Contohnya banyak file yang tak perlu pakai using disk cleaner untuk clean up you punya PC atau laptop. Kasih dia punya tu application lagi cepat dan lanjut. Okay, kedua ini backup software. Sekarang komputer kalau rosak, dia memang ada satu backup yang tools untuk backup you current view status. Okay, you backup lepas tu, create copy and import data, dia boleh restore balik. You cepat boleh recover you punya tools semua. Okay, so you punya file semua boleh keep dalam yang cepat sama, tak payah takut dia rosak ke apa. So ada backup tools untuk backup you punya performance. Okay, yang lagi satu zip file compressor. Sekarang banyak file besar macam mana saya kasih orang ada email orang lagi cepat. Pakai ni zip file, dia boleh compress you punya file dengan satu file yang kecil. Lepas tu boleh extract. Yang dia boleh keep banyak file dengan satu folder. Lepas tu orang boleh manage lagi senang, lagi easy. Okay, yang lagi satu disk management. Organization storage device. Komputer tekan kena ada file. Contoh dia boleh kategori punya file, ada gambar punya kategori, ada file punya kategori, ada video punya kategori, ada TXT kategori, ada software punya kategori. So this management boleh tolong you arrange banyak file dekat dalam folder yang easy, senang kasi tengok. Okay, system monitoring. Check computer performance. Ini system monitoring, monitor whole the PC dalam jalan. Contoh you punya RAM sudah berapa tinggi, mengapa RAM tinggi. Contoh you buka banyak file, RAM tak cukup, dia akan analis. Ada kasih satu dashboard untuk komputer. Monitoring check your computer ada panas sangat ke, tak ada panas sangat ke. Ini can monitor as well. Lagi satu dia boleh tahu you punya komputer sudah buka berapa lama, sudah pakai berapa lama, atau you sudah mana satu department mau pergi servis. Okay, ini yang sistem monitoring. Lagi satu file management, organize file and folder. Ini sama disk management ada different name. Ini boleh create yourself. You boleh create contoh file, you boleh announce you sendiri nama, you boleh senang easy untuk cari you punya file balik. Okay, yang ini utility software punya content yang dalam. Okay, so sekarang sudah 3.5 security software. Okay, so security software protect computer, account and digital performance from attack of unauthorized access. It monitor the system for the suspicion activity and help prevent harmful program for causing damage. Different security program protect different area of the computer. Example of the security software include antivirus. Okay, so antivirus dia untuk detect and remove harmful software. Okay, the second one is the firewall. Control incoming and outgoing connection. Ini firewall. Dekat dalam PC semua mesti ada punya. Okay, lagi satu anti-spyware. Detect software that collect information. Okay, lagi satu password management. Store password security. Number 5, encryption software. Protect confidential information. And last one is the anti-malware. Remove malicious program. Okay, this one important in the security software dalam bidang kita. Okay. Okay. So 3.6 programming software. Okay, ini coding atau programming dekat dalam bidang. Programming software provide tools that development using to crack, test and maintain computer program. It helps convert written program code into instruction that a computer can understand. Those tools are help developer identify and correct programming error. Example of programming software include Visual Studio Code, support multiple program language. The second one, Microsoft Visual Studio, develop desktop and web application. lagi ada ini integrate idea community and for Java, develop Java, develop Java and other application. PyCharm design the Python programming and NetBeans support Java, PHP and other language. Tapi sekarang ada lagi tools yang paling latest ada Crowded Code untuk AI build. So masuk coding saja dia sudah berentak. Ini semua ada AI build feature sudah ada masuknya. Okay, ini untuk bidang yang lain-lain dia language. For example dia ada multi language, ada web application, ada Java, ada lainnya Python, lagi ada PHP and other language. Okay, so this is programming software including 3.7 software installation and updating. Okay, software installation is the process and adding an application to a computer or mobile device. Software should be downloaded from the trust source and checking for the component compatibility with the operation system. Software updates are important because they can correct software error, improve system performance, introduce new function, fix security weakness, improve compatibility, remove updating component. Okay, so this one is the installation and the updating must always update the software. Okay, software licensing. Software license. A software license is a legal agreement that explains how a program may be installed, used, modified, or shared. User and organization must follow the license condition provided by the software developer. Type of the software license. Proprietary software controlled by a company or developer. Open source software. Source code can be inspected or modified. Freeware. Operable without payment. Shareware. Provider or the operator of the limitation. Subscription software access through regarding payment reviewer. Okay. So summary, computer software is a collection of program and instructions that tell a computer how to perform tasks. Example include operation system. Sekarang operation system ada Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and iOS. Okay, even the Huawei also create themselves. Okay, application software under Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Google Chrome, even the CapCut, also the application for also. Utility software, disk cleaning, file compression, and backup software tools. Security software, Microsoft Defender, Norton, MCA free. This one. Programming software, Visual Studio Code, Integrated Idea, PyCharm, and Eclipse can be developed. Also, Code lah sekarang ada banyak tools. Okay, summary of the topic 3 in this one. Okay, topic 4, computer network and the internet. So, what is a computer network? A computer network is a group of computer and other device connected so they can communication and exchange information. This allows users to share digital resources and access service from different connected devices. Networks are common used in home, school, office, and large organizations. A computer network allows you to connect and sharing the file. Okay, the first one, file and information sharing each other using the network. Okay, the second one, you can using the network to share the printing and scanner. And the third is internet connection. Okay, internet includes the ultranet, intranet, and internet three-way. Okay, so application also important for the network because you need to use the application, you need to internet. Okay, that storage device also can connect with the network also. Community service, for example, email, WhatsApp, Telegram, also using the network. For example, you can use the telco and the internet home use. Okay. So 4.1 type of computer network. Ada berapa jenis network yang dekat kita punya bidang dah online lah. Okay. So computer network are divided into different type according to their geography size and the covered area. A smaller network may connect personal device or computer within one building, while a large network can connect location across the city or the country. The four main type of computer network are ini yang kecil punya personal area, ini yang PAN. Okay, personal area network (PAN) stand for personal area network. You use your own. The second is the LAN, local network, local area network is the LAN. Okay, dia boleh connect dia punya office or rumah dekat sini pakai ini LAN untuk PC, laptop, printing, device. So ini local area network. So lagi satu ialah metropolitan area network (MEN). Okay, this one is the HQ for research lab. Satu city punya, satu city boleh connect yang ini. Okay, so dia MEN. Yang lagi wide area network one, ini boleh connect satu city punya. Okay, for example, PC to the switch, router to internet server, internet, intranet, ultranet dekat dalam. So dia boleh control punya laptop, boleh online, boleh serving fast saja. Dan lagi satu boleh online, ada intranet, jadi punya internet, ultranet, and scanning in the inside. Okay, this one is a 4 type lah. 4 jenis typing untuk itu network yang. Okay, so 4.2 is a personal area network. This one is a focus in the PAN, the personal one. A personal area network connect device within a very short distance around one person. It is a normal use for communication between person electronic device. PAN connection may use wireless technology or physicality cable. Example of PAN include ada apa? Okay, for example, you punya smartphone connect to wireless headphone. Okay, so ini also using the wireless. The second one, computer connect to a wireless mouse. Then smartwatch connect to a smartphone. Laptop connect to a mobile hotspot, and even smartphone connect to a Bluetooth speaker also. Okay, so this one inside is the PAN lah. Okay, then 4.3 local area network LAN. Ini soal penting kita ada buatnya. Okay, local area network connect computer and device within a smart geographical area. Is allowed use to share file, printer, application, and internet connection. A LAN may use antenna, cable, or wireless connect. A LAN is common is home. You punya rumah ada pakai LAN punya. So internet boleh share you punya computer, you punya printer, atau you punya television. So computer lab also using the LAN also. School and college dia boleh connect LAN. Okay, small business dekat satu office dalam Malaysia ini. Okay, office building pun pakai LAN untuk connect the local area network together. Lagi training center, kita punya sini semua pakai LAN juga. Okay, yang 4.3 local area network include this all. Okay, so metropolitan area network (MEN). Ini penting juga. Satu city dalam ada ini for metropolitan area network connect several local network within a town of city. Okay, it is cover a large area than a LAN but a smaller area than one. Organization may use it to connect facility local at different parts of the same city. MEN may be used to connect satu campus yang besar punya. Dia ada infrastructure dekat ini building, each building together in the campus. The second government building, dia pakai MEN to manage all the process, the internet. Company branch with a city, dia branch to branch pakai MEN boleh connect each other, the file connection together. Public internet service, so the public can use the MEN to control all the internet. Hospital within the same area. Contoh hospital ni city ada 2 hospital, dia boleh connect each other with internet, ada LAN, ada transfer file, semua boleh dekat sini. Okay, lagi satu city security system. For example, you punya traffic light, you punya CCTV, you punya security boleh dekat city security system dalam ada ini. Okay, ini 4.4 yang MEN boleh buat. Lagi satu one Wide area network. A wide area network connects device and smaller network across large geographical area. It may cover different cities, states, and countries. Organizations use one connection to communicate and share information between distant locations. One may be used to connect company branch in different location. For example, dia dekat JB ada K ada, dia mesti pakai one untuk connect the document each other. Okay, Internet Business Office, bank and finance institution mesti pakai one kerana dia tempat yang besar lagi, dia boleh connect each other together. Government department ini penting mesti pakai a large, a wide area in the network. Okay, data center also using the wide area. Kerana banyak barang dekat dalam, banyak file online, dia mesti pakai ini. Okay, remote worker also using the one. Kerana dia mau cross over the wide area. Okay, ni 4.51. The last one in the internet network tools lah. Okay, ada lagi the internet. What is the internet called? The internet is a worldwide system that connect million until billion of computers are smaller network. It allows information to be exchanged across different countries and locations. Use normal access international service through the internet service provider. These are internet provider service as we always daily using. Include the this one is the website and the search engine. The second one is the email. Now got the Google, got the Yahoo, and a lot of email that you can using the internet. Third is the social media. Facebook, IG, X, ada lagi WhatsApp, tools, bla. Ini semua social network mesti memakai internet untuk link together the file and document. Okay, Google Drive. Ini storage also important. Kerana ini cloud dia boleh gabung you punya data semua dekat dalam. Online learning also using the internet. Semua banyak barang mesti memakai internet untuk connect each other. Lagi online banking and shopping. Ini also using the internet to override system connect million computer to process networking. Okay, can connect each other. Okay. 4.6. Okay. Tadi cakap yang network device. Dia macam mana berlaku? Dia memang ada satu tools. Network device manage communication between computer and other connected equipment. Each device performs a different function when transferring information through the network. The device help maintain stable or organized network connector. Common network device include router, connect different network. Ini router penting. Yang buy main router akan berapa ratus sampai berapa ribu kerana dia punya frekuensi lagi kuat. Kedua switch, connect device with a LAN. Okay, ini switch boleh switch set up. For example, saya mau ini switch pergi point printer. Dia boleh gabung sama satu office punya switch dengan dalam satu office. Yang lagi modem. Modem connect to the internet provider. Yang mau ini modem baru boleh connect you punya provider. For example, TM, telco, message. Sama sekarang ada you mobile and the digi center boleh jadi connect to the internet provider. So dia kasih you itu data, kasih you boleh connect each other. Okay. Lagi satu server, provide information and service. Kadang-kadang office you boleh nampak ada server room, ada server rack. Untuk apa? Dia boleh connect each other network device untuk keep your storage. Okay. Access point, provide a wireless connector. Contoh you sudah ada router, ada ini modem. Lagi access point, contoh you ada office besar berapa tingkat, boleh pakai ini access point untuk sharekan internet kasih device yang lain boleh pakai. Yang lagi satu penting network cable. Ini network cable untuk connect. Kalau you tak ada pakai wifi, you pakai network connect. Dia ada Cat5, ada Cat6. Cat6 yang lanjut boleh sampai 1 GHz. Okay, transfer data between device. Yang ini penting juga. Okay. So 4.8 wide and wireless connection. Okay, a wide network transfer information through physical cable, where a wireless network transfer information using radio signal. The corresponding connection depend on the requirement speed, rapidity, mobility, and installation environment. Wireless connected provides stable communication. Command offer faster speed. Experiment less signal intrusion. Okay, recurrent network cable. So wire connect and the wireless connect different is allow user to move freely. Connect mobile device easier. Require fiber physical cable and may be affected by distance and distance. Okay, so ini boleh hafal. Okay ah, boleh ah. Okay, 4.9 IP address and domain name. An internet protocol address is a nomenclature address used to identify a device on a network. It allows information to be delivered to the correct device. A domain name is easier and more memorable using to access the online location. The domain name system convert the domain name into information IP address. Example IP ini dia punya domain name ialah Google. Website address contoh www.mbc.com example. Okay, so ini tiga IP ialah nombor dia, domain direct name, website address is a sample. Example process, the user enter a domain name. The domain name system find in the IP. The browser connect into the correct web server. So the request website is displayed. This is IP and the domain different. Can understand? Okay. Wow. Okay. Can I? Yeah, I continue. I drink water first. Okay. This one very interesting in the future in the IT field. Okay. So summary. A computer network connect device so they can communication and share information and resource. Example include pen, a smartphone connected to wireless earbud through the Bluetooth. LAN, computer connect within a school computer reparation. MAN, a network connect server office across a city. One, a computer network connect branch in different country. Internet server, website, email, cloud storage, and social media. The last one is a network device, route, switch, modem, server, and wireless access point. Okay? Okay, chapter 5. Database and data management. This one also important in IT. Okay? What is database? A database is an organized collection of digital information that can be stored, searched, updated, and managed. It helps users handle large number of recording and record more quickly and accumulation. Databases are widely used by organizations that need to maintain structured information. Databases are common in use for example, employee record, staff ID, staff name, age, gender, department, salary, and their time attendance also can. Student information can keep student ID, student name, age, gender, class. Customer details, customer ID, customer name, product, fee, product information, product ID, product name, price, category, and detail, the size also can. Financial record, account ID, user ID, account type, current balance, account status, company document, other company ID, company name, company address, industry type, and lot can keep the database actually keep the data. Okay. So database structure. Information in a database is commonly organized into table containing row, column, and field. This structure keep related information together and make individual record easier to locate. Table may also use connect through the relationship. A database table contain, for example, on a table, a collection of relation information. Row, one complete record. The column, a category of information. Field, one individual piece of data. Primary key, a unique identity for the each recording. Record, complete set of relation data. Nowadays, the data structure are very important in the system. Okay, for example, the database structure similar this one. Okay, so this one is primary. you must got the primary key, then the table attribute all the content inside. This one is calling the row by row. We have to create one. The second one is the field. For the content, you must fill in the field. Then the third is the column. How many the column you got, and the recording this one is the data. You need to keep the data. For example, for the student name, for the ID first is Ali, then S16. Okay, gender. This one keep a lot of data is a database. Okay. The next one is a primary key and record identification. A primary key is a field container is unique value the identity is recorded in the database table. It prevent record from being confusing with the other and allow correct information to another update. A suitable primary key should be unique for every record, never be left empty, remain consistent, identify only one record, avoid unnecessary duplicate. For example, student identity numbers, employee identification numbers, product code, order number, customer account number. This one very important for the primary key. Okay. Then relationship between database table. Database relationship connect information stored in different table. This reduce repeat information and make the database more organized. Okay, for the example, an ordering database may contain customer table. So store customer information. The second one is product table. Store product information. Order table. Store order information. Payment table. Store payment information. So this one important in the ordering database. This one must include in the database. Okay. So the customer ID can connect the customer table to the order table, where the product ID connect production to an order. Example, one customer can make several orders, but each order is connected to the correct customer through the customer ID. So any customer dia boleh order banyak-banyak barang, tapi database store and structure follow the customer ID. So dia boleh order air, boleh order makanan, boleh order food, dessert. So all the order is belong to the customer ID. So can get together. Okay. So database management system. Okay. A database management system is a software used to create, control, and maintain database. It provides tools for managing information without directory handling and the database file. It can also control where users are allowed to access or modify record. So a database management system allows users to create new record, search for information, update existing record, delete unnecessary record, sort and filter information, generated report, control user access. Example includes MySQL, Microsoft Access, Oracle, and Microsoft SQL Server. This one is the inside the database management system. Okay. So data quality. Data quality refers to the condition, accuracy, and relevance of the storing information. High quality data help organizations produce trustworthy report and make better decision. Incorrect in the incomplete information may cause error and affect business operation. Good quality database should be accurate, free from mistake. Okay, complete, contain all requirement information, consistent, use the same format, current, update when the change occur, relative, sustain for the intelligent purpose, and unique, does not contain necessary duplicate. Okay, these are database yang quality lah. Okay. Data security and backup. Database security protect store information for unreasoned access, damage, and loss. Security measures should be applied through the correction, storage, and use of information. Regular backup allows information to be recovered after the accident or the system fail. Database information can be protected by protecting user account and password, limiting access based on user role, encrypting confidential information, backing up the database with regular. Installing system and security update, recording charts made by user, test the database recover process. Okay. Okay, summary. A database store related information in an organization format so that the record can be searched, update, and management efficiency. Example include user account, username, password, and account role. Customer record, name, address, and contact information. Employee record, staff number, positioning, and salaries. Product information, product names, price, and stock quantities. Order and payment, order numbers, payment method, and transaction status. Database system using the MySQL, Microsoft Access, Microsoft SQL Server, and Oracle database. Okay, so ini summary boleh hafal. Okay ah, Okay, number 6. We go to the website application development. Until halfway only ah. What is the website application? A website application is a software program that user access through a web browser. It allows user to enter information, perform tasks, and interact with an online system. Web application usually process user requests and store information in the database. Example of web application include you orang ada online beli barang ah? Mana online beli barang ah? Okay. Ini Shopee, Lazada, TikTok semua ada web application also. Online shopping system. Dan second one ada pakai online internet. Pernah? Dah ada juga lah. Okay. So internet banking system. Then online learning platform. You orang pernah pakai online learning platform? For example, okay. Hotel and ticketing booking. Agoda, Lazada, Agoda, Trip, Avago. This one using the hotel one. Social media platform, you orang ada pakai? Facebook, IG, okay. So staff regarding management system, ini ada pakai payroll atau apa? Ini also website application, okay. So macam mana web process Okay, a website moved by exchange information between the user web browser and the web server through the internet. When a user open a web page and perform an action, the browser send request for the server. The server process request and return the requirement web information. The process of creating website include, okay, contoh you ada seorang user, you enter the website address, for example www.hrdc.com, then the web browser will send IP in the DNS server to go through the server, return the website in the IP, then send the information to the web server, then retrieve the database, go back to your site. For example, you orang pernah nak masuk itu website down lah. Kalau masuk itu website down, okay, dia macam ni punya proses boleh nampak sini boleh okay. For the example, ini you, ini apa nama? Zihao. Okay, contoh Zihao, you pakai punya komputer kan, ada laptop kan? Okay, you mau masuk apa ni? Contoh YouTube. Okay, www.youtube.com. Okay, dia pergi you punya itu modem. You punya rumah modem. Then modem ni access pergi server. Kadang-kadang you ada pernah jumpa ini website down. Okay, yang ini server down. Contoh ini sudah ada problem server down. Kalau server tak ada down, dia boleh access. So after dia access, dia pergi database, ambil data. Contoh you search, you mau search apa? You dengan YouTube search apa? Video apa? Cocomelon. Okay, you type Cocomelon. Okay, so database sini ada Cocomelon. Cocomelon dia file dia dapat kan, dia transfer balik kasih itu server masuk punya modem. Then access balik punya komputer, you nampak Cocomelon. Yang ni dia punya process form. Okay, boleh apa? Boleh ya? Okay. You mau search lain lah. Okay, boleh apa? Okay. Yang ini dia punya flow lah, dia proses, website macam mana proses. Okay. So web browser, yang web browser is application used to access website and web application. It receives web page file from a web server and display their content to the user. Browser also allow you to navigate between page and interactive with the online server. Service example of web browser include, you pernah nampak ni ada pakai, ada ni Google Chrome, yang ni. Yang luar adalah banyak orang cakap, you tahu mengapa ada Microsoft Edge? Dia punya function apa tak?
For Microsoft.
Bukan, dia punya Microsoft Edge untuk download Google Chrome Ada komputer default memang ada Microsoft Edge, tapi Microsoft Edge dia memang default. Yang boleh pakai yang hafal bagus punya Google Chrome. So orang luar cakap, ini Microsoft Edge untuk download, ini Microsoft ada ni for Cina. So yang ini Apple Safari pernah nampak. Ini dekat Mac OS perlu ada, Mac OS perlu ada. Okay, dia defaultnya sama Opera. Orang pernah pakai. Ini semua yang web browser punya option lah. Okay. So the next is HTML. What stand for the HTML? HTML stand for Hypertext Markup Language and create the basic structure of the web page. It organizes the content into different elements that a web browser can be understood and display. HTML focus mainly on the structure and the meaning of the content. For example, HTML Hypertext Markup Language, this one important. Previous my age is using typing one. So the first one header in the content. You nampak itu website dia tools dia belakang dia coding memang start for the HTML one. So the heading the H1, this one is the details lah H1. This is header. So you pakai ni hashtag dia boleh jadi this is header. So H1 is the font is the biggest one. H1, H2, H3 is the more similar, the smaller. Paragraph is the P. This is paragraph, P is a paragraph. Ini paragraph lah. Okay. Then image dia syntax dalam source dekat dalam ini hyperlink. Yang ini source dekat mana dia dekat web page akan display ini image. Yang link ini have mesti ada A nya. Have ni link untuk create nampak jadi macam ni. Ini HTML punya language lah. So table boleh jadi container dia ada table, ada table row. Yang T ini row, yang hash ini dia punya kedua line. So di T1, T2, T3 dia jadi number macam ni, satu kolom. Yang ini syntax, yang hypertext markup language the default system mesti ada, itu program mesti ada HTML to build up all the structure. So form also can be labeled lah. This one, if you using the password, you can add on the syntax, then it will be the text form. Okay, then button easier so this one. Dulu memang satu type pakai coding. Sekarang pakai software tools sudah senang punya. You type satu B dia sudah keluar, ada tekan saja dia sudah ada ini. Okay, yang ini hypertext markup language understand lah inside the all the social meaning of the content. Okay, so CSS cascading ini old fashion punya. Okay, CSS stand for the cascading style sheet and control the visual appear on the website. Is allow developer to change how HTML content arrange the display. CSS also help website adjust character to the different screen size. For example, CSS HTML yang lain di rumah. Yang CSS cascading ini yang itu painter. Contoh you mau tukar tingkat, you mau tukar dia punya pakaian macam mana, you tukar CSS saja. For example, you color, you mau kasih red, you tukar ni red. Contoh ni cascading dia satu file. You mau jadi online ya, you tukar saja di cascading, dia sudah tukar tim. Ini cascading punya feature lah. So font pakai P, dia punya family pakai apa font, you boleh tukar saja. Contoh you mau Times New Roman, ini Times New Roman. You mau Arial, boleh kasih Arial. Ini boleh tukar. Okay, so dia punya text size also lah, berapa pixel. Dia pakai pixel, ada pakai font, ada pakai text, boleh pakai. Ini boleh change kan. Okay. Then background body dong, you mau tukar ni background jadi biru, jadi light blue, semua boleh pakai ni. So you light blue dia belakang background semua tukar sekali. Okay, spacing also important lah. Kadang-kadang ini punya wording line, dia mau kasih asingkan, semua pakai itu P. Dia punya line text indeed boleh tukar ni, 50 macam ni, 80 macam ni. So dalam itu bila CSS dia boleh adjust the theme. Very easy to change the theme lah. Okay. So JavaScript is a programming language that adds function and iterative to web page. It allows a web page to respond immediately to action performed by the user. JavaScript can also change web page content without request the content variable. Okay, ni JavaScript pun penting juga. Dia respond to button click, validate information enter to form, display message, create animation, update content automation, and perform calculation. Also add search function. Yang kadang-kadang itu web page yang boring kan, dia masuk ni JavaScript, dia boleh jadi animation. Boleh kasih dia pada effect, slowly keluar, cepat masuk. Itu function, itu JavaScript dia kerja. Okay. So PHP is a programming language used to process information in a website server. It receives requests from the back, perform the request function, and send the result back to the browser. PHP is often used to connect web application and database. So PHP ada satu language satu bahasa yang dekat IT punya field in the programming. So process login information must using the PHP to build. Also can using the Java, PHP a lot lah, but we focus on the PHP kerana dia senang hafalkan. Save information into a database. Retrieve database record. Update existing record. Delete record. Processing search request and generate page content. Okay. Okay, this one SQL is similar just now we talking about. Okay, MySQL is a database management system used to store and organize web application information. It keeps record in structuring database so they can be searched and managed efficient. The web application communication with SQL when is to set retrieve information. MySQL can store information such as user account, customer details, product information, employee record, order and payment, application status, and login information. So this feature in the database store in the database. Okay. Now is creating a web application. Create a web application requires creating, design, programming, and testing. Each step help ensure the application meet the user requirement of the application correctly. The system must also be maintained and updated after it's been published. Okay. The process of creating a web application includes identify the problem, collect user requirement, design the page and database, write the programming code, connect the application to the database, test the application function, publish and maintain the application. So create a web application include this code is similar this kind. Okay. Okay, summary. Website application development involves creating website and online applications that using access through a web browser. Example include HTML, hypertext markup language, creating paragraph, form and button. Second one is CSS, cascading style sheet, control color, font, spacing and page layout. JavaScript, provide menu calculation and form, even the animation. Server-side programming, PHP, okay, process login detail and form submission. Database, MySQL, store user account, product and order. Web application, online shopping, online banking, booking and learning system also can build inside the web application. So the last one is web browser, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox and Safari. Okay, this is chapter 6, include the summary. Okay, everyone can understand? Okay, okay. Current is the 7, is the cybersecurity and database data protection. Okay. What is the cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computer, network, application, and digital information for attack of the unauthorized access. It helps prevent data theft, system damage, and interactive or server. Cybersecurity is important for both individual and organization. cyber security protect, for example, got computer and mobile device, computer network, website and application, user account, person information, online server. Main security principle. Cyber security use several principles to ensure that information remains private, accurate, and available. Thus, principles help organizations control how information is accessed and used. They also make user responsibility for their activity with the system. The main security principles are confidentiality. Information is only viewed by authorized users. Integrity. Information remains accurate and unchanged. Availability. Information is accessed by request. Authentication. A user identity is verified. Authorization. User only access permission information. Accountability. User activity are recorded and monitoring. Okay. So common cybersecurity here is cybersecurity here are harmful activities that tend to damage system, steal information and several different threat and use different methods to attack computer use. Understanding their threat are to recognize and avoid damage activities. Common cybersecurity threats include virus, okay, spread by attack itself too far, worm, spread automation across network, okay, Trojan horse, retain the software. Ini Trojan horse banyak juga kita punya software dalam banyak detection, okay, ransomware, log information and damage. This one a lot of people scared about this one because they are not far, they claim the money with you. Okay, spyware, security collect user information. Ini also penting lagi DDoS. Deny of server attack, attempt to interrogate online server with a mark of home. Okay, this one all can understand. Okay, okay. Phishing and social engagement. Okay, social engineering attack. Manipulate people into reveal information or the performance unsafe action. Phishing command use fake email, messenger or website to steal communication details. Users should carefully check and aspected messages before responding and open a link. Warning sign of phishing include unfamiliar or suspicious sender, suspect website link, okay, spelling and grammar mistake. For example, this one salah punya jangan bagi reply kerana banyak dia tekan itu domain punya nama, kasih salah fahamkan. Okay, request for password for the bank detail. Contoh sekarang banyak orang suruh you call kan, call boleh macam ni. Okay, you jangan kasih dia password tau. Okay, so often that appear a good and trust. This one also important lah. Okay, so protection electronic and device. For example, I create a strong password. Suruh you jangan kasih itu yang normal main password. Another two factor, ini pun penting juga. So update software regarding. You punya software jangan lama-lama kalau pergi update. Okay, install anti-virus and anti-malware software. Activity that's firewall. Lock device when they are being used. Okay, so protection important data. Data protection key information safe throw is collected, storage, use and sharing. Sensitive information should only be available to people who request it authorized purpose. Organizations should be also remove information security when it's no longer need. Important data can be protected by limited access and authorized use. Encryption, confidential information, checking file sharing permission, backup information regarding storing backup and security location. Delete information set when no longer need. Avoid to sharing the person information. That's all is the protection information data. Okay, responding to a security incident. A security incident occurs when a system information may be attacked, exploited, and damaged. The incident should be handled quickly to reduce further harmful. All actions should allow action similar using disconnect the affected device from the network. Stop using the affected account. Inform the IT department to respond to personal. Change affected password. Scan the device for the malware, restore safe information for the backup, record the incident and action taking. Okay. Digital footprint and online privacy. A digital footprint is the information tracked by the person using a website, application, and online server. Some information is shared international, where information can be automation. For example, digital footprint may include social media posts, search history, online purchase, web visitor, upload photographer, location information, comment, and message. Users should edit privacy settings, avoid oversharing personal information, and consider the long-term effect before publishing content online. Okay, so security growth and responsibility. Cybersecurity is a serious responsibility involving user, technical staff, and organization management. Every person should follow instruction, conduct, and report situation. Okay, for example, you protect password, avoid sufficient link, update device, report IT staff responsibility, maintain security system, manage user access, monitor network, respond to incident. Management response, establish security policy, provide employee trainer, protect confidential record, and support incident response planning. Okay. So summary in cybersecurity are very important. Cybersecurity protect device, network, account, and user information from attack and unauthorized access. Example virus, worm, trojan, ransomware, and spyware. Phishing, fake trading email request login information, password attack, and attacker revealing guess and the user password. Account protection, strong power and two-factor authentication. Device protection, antivirus software, firewall, and software update. Data protection, encryption, access control, and reading backup. Okay, can you understand? Okay. Okay, cloud computing. Okay. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing allows users to store information, run application, and access digital server through the internet. The information application are stored on remote server instead of only on the user device. This allows server to access to the different location device. Example, cloud service. Sekarang kita ada pakai Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, Dropbox, Google Workspace, and Microsoft 365. This one is the cloud computing. Okay. Cloud computing process macam mana proses tau? Cloud computing user remote server located in the database center to store information and operation digital service. User connect to their server through the internet using their device. The server processing the user request and return the request result. The cloud computing process include user open the cloud application, then device connect in the internet, then cloud server receive the request you handle itu masuk. Then cloud server process the information. They keep the information in the data center. Lepas tu result is returned to the user device. So this is a process. How to the cloud serving process. Okay. Type of cloud service. Cloud service is divided into different categories according to the resource provided to user. Each category supports a different type of the activity or the requirement. Some devices are designed to generate user. Okay, so buat dalam ada software as a service (SAS) provide ready to use online application. Platform as a service (PaaS) provide tools to developing application. This one infrastructure as a service (LaaS) provide feature server and storage. Cloud storage store and synchronization machine far online. Cloud backup store copy of important information. Cloud hosting, operation, website, and online system. Cloud storage and collaboration. Cloud storage allows users to save file online and send from a different device. Cloud collaboration allows server using to work together, send documents without creating multiple separate copies. Changes can be viewed and shared immediately. Cloud collaboration allows to use access file from different locations. Share document with selected user. Edit document at the same time. View changes immediately. Add comment and suggestion. Recover, prevent file version. Maintain one update copy in the document. Okay. Benefit of cloud computing. Cloud computing provides flexible access to application, storage, computer resources. It can be reduced in need to purchase and maintain physical equipment. Organizations can also increase or reduce their cloud response according to their needs. The benefit of cloud computing include access from different devices and locations. Okay, easy fast sharing and teamwork, reduce use of local storage, automatic software update, flexible storage and system resource, easy backup and data recovery, lower hardware and maintenance requests. Risk and security. Cloud computing requires users to and service providing to provide information stored online. Weak password, incorrect permission, and the server integrity may affect security and the availability of the cloud data. Users should apply proper security practice when access cloud service. Cloud information can be protected by crafting strong and unique password. Another two-factor authentication. Check file sharing permission. Limit access to authorized users. Encrypting confidential information. Maintain additional backup. Avoid unsafe public Wi-Fi connected. Remote access when it no longer requests. Okay. Wow. Okay, cloud deployed model. Cloud deployed model display how cloud resources are owned, managed by made available to use. Organizations select a deployed model according to their security, cost, and operation requests. Main development model, public cloud. Servers are provided online to many customers. The second one, private cloud. Resources are dedicated to one organization. Hybrid cloud. Combine public and private cloud resource. Community cloud shared by organizations with similar requests. Example, Google Drive is a public cloud. A company's internal cloud system is a private cloud. A bank may use hybrid cloud for the public server and communication record. Okay? Cloud backup and restore company. Cloud backup storing additional copy of the digital information for the server. It helps user recover file when the device is damaged, stored, infected, and accidentally erased. Disaster recovery is the process of restoring system application information after a serious technical incident. Cloud backup can be provide automatic backup schedule, access to prevent file version, protect from physically device damage, recovery for accidentally deleted, storage in a separate location, fast restoration of improvement record. Okay. So summary, okay, cloud computing allows users to store file, use information and access digital server through remote server over the internet. Example, cloud storage, Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive and Dropbox. Cloud application, Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace. Cloud corporation, server user edition the same document. Cloud backup, saving copy of important file online. Cloud hosting, operation of website using remote server. Cloud service, software as a service, SAS, platform as a service, PaaS, and infrastructure as a LaaS. Okay. So artificial intelligence. Okay, this one so called AI. Okay. What is the artificial AI stand for? Artificial intelligence allow computer to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. AI system can analyze information, identify pattern and product reduce based on the information they are received. The system are designed support to automate different types of human activity. Artificial intelligence can understand human language, recognition, image and facts, identify pattern and information, make a prediction, generative digital content, automate repetition, tasks, support human decision making. This is artificial intelligence. Okay, type of artificial intelligence. AI can be grown according to usability and internal purpose. Okay, most AI systems currently in use are designed to complete specific tasks. Okay, for example, narrow AI perform a specific task within a limit area. Generate AI, a theoretical system capable of the performance many intelligent tasks. Generative AI produce new text, image, audio, video, or coding. Okay, these are three types the AI intelligence. Okay, so AI process, how to AI process? Many module AI system learn pattern from large amount of data. They are qualified on the system result depend is training data, design and instruction. Human review is still required to ensure data result to 100%. The basic AI process include, okay, so AI macam mana proses? Dia data is preparation. Dia baca-baca banyak dokumen dekat dalam. Lepas tu data is organization and preparing. Lepas tu AI module is trained using the data. AI produce a result, then user provide new information until AI model identify the pattern. Lepas tu AI human retrieve the result. This is the process in the innovation process. Okay. So write efficient AI prompt. For example, prompt macam mana? Kasih a prompt is an instruction of the question give a generated AI system. A clean and intelligent prompt help the system understanding the user goal and produce a more realistic response. An efficient prompt should include the task to be complete, relevant background information, the preferred output information, the intended audience, important limitation, and example when necessary. For example, basic prompt similar as plain cybersecurity, but improvement prompt is explain security in one simple paragraph for the being IT student and include 3 everyday example. So these are different prompt. Main area of IT, main area of the AI. AI contains several areas designed to perform different types of tasks. Some areas focus on language and communication, while others focus on image, prediction, and machine. There may also be combined into one AI. The main area of the AI include machine learning, learn pattern from the data, natural language process, understand human language, computer vision, recognize image and video, speech recognition, understand spoken word, robotic, control machine, and physical action. Expert system provide rules-based recommendation. Generative AI create a new digital content. Okay, AI in daily life. Now the AI can using many everyday device, application, and online server. It help service. It help system understand user, provide user result and complete task automatically. Many people use AI support server without realistic and AI performance. Example, AI in everyday life include visual assistant, facial recognition, email spam filter, language translator, customer service chatbot, and voice recognition. Generative AI, okay? Generative AI type artificial intelligence that create a new content based on user instruction. The instruction entry by the user are command column prompt. Clean and specific prompt usually help the system produce more user result. Generative AI can read ladder, algorithm. Most suitable AI is the ChatGPT. The second one is the digital image. Most suitable AI is the DLE. Okay. Computer coding. Most suitable AI is GitHub Copilot. Music and audio. Most suitable AI is Suno. Okay. Video content. Most suitable is the Sora. And presentation. Most suitable AI is Canva. Okay. So benefit of AI. Artificial intelligence can help individual and organization complete tasks more quickly and efficient. It can process large amount of information that would take humans much longer to review. AI can also support users by providing suggestion and automation route work. The benefit of AI include automate repetitive tasks, process information quickly, reduce the time request for the certain task, provide personally recommendation, support research and decision making, improve customer service, assist people to decision, operation coordination with the request. Okay. So limitation and risk. AI does not think or understand information in the same way as a human. Its result depends on training data, system design, and user instruction. Incorrect and incorrect use of AI may create risk for the individual and organization. The limitation of the risk generated code may produce incorrect information, may provide mean of unfair result, may misunderstand user instruction, may exploit private information, can be used to create misleading content, may afford employee and job responsibility, cannot replace human judge in the important decision, require regarding human checking. Okay? Summary. Artificial intelligence enable computer to analyze information, recognize pattern, and perform tasks that normally requires human intelligence. Example include virtual assistant, Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa. Computer vision, facial recognition, and object detection, speech recognition, converting spoken word into text, recommendation, suggestion, production, film and music, translation, translating text between different languages, generative AI, ChatGPT, RAL for image, and GitHub Pilot for coding, chatbot, automating customer service assistant. Okay. Okay. So the last one, smart device and technology. Okay. What are smart devices? Smart devices are electronic devices that collect information, process data, and communicate with the other device. They are normally connected through the internet or another communication method. Many smart devices can be monitored and controlled remote. Example of smart device include smartwatch, smart television, security camera, smart speaker, fitness tracker, smartphone, and tablet. Okay, main component of smart device are smart device contain several components that allow them to collect information and responsibility to use. Each component performs a different part of the device operation. The device requires both hardware and software to perform its smart function. The main components include sensor, collect information for the surrounding, processor, process data and instruction, software, control the device function, network connection, communication with other devices, storage setting and information, user interface, allow user to control the device. Connecting method. Smart device use different connection method to communication with other device and online service. The choose connection depend on the request distance, speed and purpose. Some method provide wireless communication, while other request is a security cable. Common connection method include Wi-Fi, connect device to a wireless network, Bluetooth, connect nearby device wireless, NFC, cover data over a very short distance, GPS, provide location information, USB, provide a physical connect, and antenna, provide a wireless network connection. Okay, smart device process, how to process the smart device? Smart device use sensor to collect information from user they are surrounding. The information is processed and may be sent to application, server, account, and service. The device can use provide information and perform automatic action. The basic process include so sensor collect the information first. The second one is the device process the information, then device connect with the network. After that, information is sent to application of the server. So user receive the notification of the result, then will update to user to send command to the device. The last one is the device send the performance request to action. This whole the smart device process. Okay. So user of smart device. Smart device is used in home, workplace, healthcare, and many other areas. They are help user monitor activities, receive information and control equipment remote. Smart technology can also automatic activities to previous request manual control. Common use include smart home, control line application in your home, healthcare, monitoring health rate and health information, security, device movement and record data, transportation, provide navigation and vehicle information, fitness, track, exercise, step and sleep, industry, monitor machine and equipment. Okay, benefit of smart device. Smart device can be improve convenience, safety and efficient. They are provide real-time information and allow users to control device from different locations. Automation function can also reduce the time and effort required to the routing activities. The benefit include remote control through mobile application, automatic monitoring, real-time notification, improvement home and work security, mental health and fitness tracking, reduce energy use, faster access to information, automation of routing activities. Okay, so risk and security. Smart device may collect personal information and remain continuous connected to the network. Weak security may allow unauthorized users to access the device piece of information. The user should be checked whether the device continues to receive security update. Smart device should be protected by changing the default password, creating a strong and unique password, installing device updated, using security Wi-Fi network, limited access to authorized users, checking application permission, disabling unconnected and feature, avoid device no longer receive update. Okay. Smart device ecosystem and compatibility. A smart device ecosystem is a collection of the device, application and digital service designed to communicate and operation together. A central application of smart hub allows users to control several devices from one location. Okay, compatibility means that different devices can communicate using support platform, connecting standard and communication protocol. Devices from different manufacturers may not work together unless they support the same system as standard. A smart device ecosystem may include a center mobile application, a smart hub or controller, connect smart device, user account and permission, automation setting, voice controller server, cloud basic service. Okay, maintenance smart device. Smart device requires maintenance to remain reliable, accurate, and security. Users should monitor the physical condition, software version, battery level, and network condition of each device. Important maintenance activity include installing firmware update the controlling application, replace and charging battery, cleaning camera and sensors, checking network connecting, review connected user account, remove devices that are no longer used, resetting device before sharing or disposing of them, following the manufacturer instruction. Okay, summary. Smart device collection. Smart device collect information, process data, and communicate with the other device through the network. Example: smartwatch can track the step, heart rate, and notification. The second one, smart television connect to stream service. Security camera detect movement and record video. Smart speaker respond to voice command. Fitness checking, monitor exercise and sleep. Smart home application allow user to control light and air conditioner and cooling. Smartphone use sensor application, GPS, Wi-Fi and mobile network. Okay, so conclusion today. Information technology combine different digital components to manage information and support daily activities. Computer hardware provide the physical equipment, while software giving instruction to the equipment. Network connect device and allow information to be shared. Website and application provide online service, while database organization and store report record. Cybersecurity protect device and information from threat. Cloud computing provided online access to storage, application and computing service. Articulation and integration enable system to learn from data and perform intelligent tasks. Smart device use sensor and internet connection to collect information and respond automatically. Okay, so until Q&A session. Okay, today okay, everything okay, good. So you got any question? You one person can ask 3 questions. In 1 minute. Okay, I give you 1 minute to think the question. Okay.
Okay.
You can think the question first. One person 3. Right. Two also can actually. You got a lot of problem or a lot of question, you can ask a lot. Depend. Okay. So the first until the 10 you can think. what the question you want to ask? Okay, you can ask.
I want to ask, is it the AI coming is help us to reduce our work or help to replace our job in
Okay.
the future?
In the topic, until today, the AI won't replace our job. AI only reduce and eases our task. Because how to say, okay, AI don't know how to got the feeling. For example, I can ask you properly the question, but the AI only can solve the problem to answer you. The second one, AI cannot feeling what I'm angry or not angry now. Maybe I ask you, when your wife asks you, and when your girlfriend asks you, what the food we need to eat later, AI only can answer chicken sushi, char kway teow, hokkien mee. But when your girlfriend asks you, you say, you see your girlfriend first. The emotion is happy, you bring it the mama also can. But your girlfriend unhappy, you must bring a lot of chicken sushi one. So the AI want to replace us. It's easier to let her to choose the formula. Okay. If the answer is answer you?
Yes.
Okay.
So you think what is the most useful AI for
Is
us,
individual or company?
for doing our task?
Okay, first actually AI is a robotic similar like for example first one. Example for me every day the AI help me to sort in the 7 o'clock morning. They are sort today the news. What is the news today in the environment? For example, China latest news. Automatic sort the 10 topic for me. This is the morning. Then until I go to the office, they will help me to sort today what the task I'm doing. Then automatic check my email already. This one the everyday daily task for my personal AI is help me to do a lot. And even the quotation in the customer service, AI also do me to request already. Check the customer service. For example, customer ask me the quotation, how much the AI automatic will reply already.
But is it the AI will like filtering the useful email to the spam folder?
Yeah. No, not only. They will read every the email, then summary for me. This one need to reply, this one need to reply. But they are help me to sort all the email, not only the spam mail only, all kind of email. They will do a summary for me. This is very helpful in my individual. Then for my office, the AI actually help me to do the, for example, customer need request a quotation. The AI automation will auto create the quotation for the customer already. This is the first one. The second thing, my AI help me to do a lot of content. For example, social media. Every day the AI preparing the document and automate the video post to the social media already. This one is my company use. Okay.
That is all for my question.
Two question enough.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so you got any problem?
Yeah, actually, I want to know how is VPN actually protects our data in the public.
VPN. Okay, actually VPN is private network server. Okay, private network server, they will click. We also install the Trojan anti-malware a lot one. Then the outside, the antivirus will detect first. So will prevent all the spam mail and the DDoS attack in the private VPN.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. Let me think another question.
Okay.
I've been thinking about a company, how they're keeping their large database secure.
Okay, for example, when your company you a lot of data already, then you must use the private server. Okay, go two way lah. One is the cloud, one is the private server. We're using the backup tools. Okay, backup into your local server first, then automatic backup to the cloud server. This is the first layer. The second, we also install the 3-layer security. Okay, cybersecurity got the 3-layer one. The first layer is the DDoS attack. The second one is cybersecurity for the firewall. The third tier is the antivirus. So for the tier to protect your whole data. Okay?
Yeah, that's all my question.
Two only.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's all. Okay. So okay. Ending question. Which until my turn. I want to ask you all problem already. Okay. Which information technology topic was the most useful and interesting to you, and how could you apply into your daily life and workspace? Who first? Okay.
I will answer.
Okay, which information technology topic was the most useful and interesting?
I think in this technology era, the most useful topic will be the artificial intelligence, of course AI. I think for the AI, you can create my own AI for myself to solve my daily life or work-based problem for my personal. So it will be easy for me to save some time to do other things. Yeah, so that's all.
Good. Okay. Then until your turn.
I think is cybersecurity because I'm been interested in many kind of virus that happen on someone's computer and how to defend them. Like you can install some cybersecurity app to protect your computer, but I don't know how it actually works to defend the virus. Yeah, that is what I'm interested in this, what you're teaching.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just interested in cybersecurity.
Okay. Cybersecurity inside actually large. They are got the three tier. But this only for the topic only. But you go through inside the cybersecurity, you have a lot of tools. For example, what file you are keeping, what the type you are keeping, and what the password and encryption. A lot of journey need to improve on. Okay, so this one only the three tier. For example, the DDoS detection, the firewall, and the malware antivirus. Then a lot of encryption and file keeping and how many server you can dedicate. Also mirroring. The server mirroring is also important. This one also is a knowledge in the cybersecurity. Even the banking system, how to process. This one is also in the very deep one. Okay, so this one also can improve in your future. Okay?
Okay.
So now I want to let you know to fill out the feedback form. Okay. So this one, okay, Rena. Okay, so now I need you to fill up your feedback form. Okay. So this one is here. This one is for you. Okay. I give you 2 minutes to fill out.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
You want pen? Let's try this one. Done. Oh, good.
So far.
This one you haven't fill out.
Yeah, sure.
This one also haven't fill out.
Oh, okay. I forgot that. Sorry.
Okay. Two minutes. Nice. Okay, so our next class, the basic computer troubleshooting and maintenance program is this date, October 18, the time 2 until 4. Okay, the location is some facility. Okay, so must come here, this one will be Pontek. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so, okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Okay.